Hello students, today in mathematics we will start with chapter number 3, addition and subtraction. Problem set number 10. Subtraction. First we will see how to subtract. This is just a revision. Question number 1. 64,293 minus 28,547. See the solution here. Make this box unit, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. Write the number. Start writing from unit place. 3, 9, 2, 4, 6, 7, 4, 5, 8, 2 and put a subtraction mark. 3 minus 7 not possible, will borrow from 9. So cancel 9 and write 8 and borrow 1 from 9. This is 13. 13 minus 7, 8 minus 4, 4. Now 2 minus 5 not possible, then we'll borrow from 4. So this will make 12. 12 minus 5, 7. 3. 3 minus 8 not possible, again we will borrow from 6. This will make 13. 13 minus 8, 5 and 5 minus 2 is equals to 3. So this number is 35,746. Question number 2. 37,058 minus 23,469. Again we'll make this table. Copy question from unit place and start subtracting. Question number 3 and question number 4. You need to write problem set number 10 in your notebook. If possible, try not to copy. Now subtraction of 6 and 7 digit numbers. We had learned already how to subtract 5 digit numbers. Okay, today we will learn how to subtract 6 and 7 digit number. Example number 1. This number is 65 lakhs 7,843 minus 9 lakhs 25,586. This is 7 digit number and this is 6 digit number. With this box, write numbers. Start writing from unit place, then start subtracting. 3 minus 6 not possible, will borrow from 4. This will make 13. 13 minus 6, the answer will be 7. Now 3 minus 8 not possible, again will borrow from 8. This will make 13. 13 minus 8, answer is 5. 7 minus 5, 2. Here 7 minus 5, 2. 0 minus 2 not possible, will borrow from 5. This will make 10. 10 minus 2, 8. 4. Now 4 minus 9 not possible, again we will borrow from 6. This will make 14. 14 minus 9 is equals to 5 and 5. So this answer is 55,82,257. Now problem set number 11. In this problem set we will solve only 4 questions. Question number 1, question number 4, question number 5 and question number 6. Question number 2 and 3 we will cancel. Now see question number 1. 8,57,513 minus 4,82,256. We'll make this table. Unit, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh. Start writing numbers from unit place. 3 minus 6 not possible, we will borrow from 1. This will make 0. 13 minus 6, 7. Now 0 minus 5 not possible, then we will borrow from 5. So this will make 10. 10 minus 5 is equals to 5. 4 minus 2, 2. 7 minus 2, 5. 5 minus 8 not possible, we will borrow from 8. This will make 15. 15 minus 8, 7. And 7 minus 4, 3. So this answer is 3,75,257. Question number 4. 45,43,827 minus 12,05,938. Draw this table, write units, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh because we are having here 7 numbers. Start writing numbers from unit place. 7 minus 8 not possible, borrow from 2. This will make 17. 17 minus 8 is equals to 9. 1 minus 3 not possible, again borrow from 8. 11. 11 minus 3, 8. 7 minus 9 not possible, borrow from 3. 17. 17 minus 9 is equals to 8. 2 minus 5 not possible, borrow from 4. 12. 12 minus 5, 7. 3 minus 0, the answer will be 3. 5 minus 2, 3. And 4 minus 1, again 3. This answer is 33,37,889. Now question numbers 5 and 6 you will solve. Problem set number 12. These are word problems. Prathamesh wants to buy a laptop worth rupees 27,450. He has 22,975 rupees. What is the amount he still needs to be able to buy the laptop? Prathamesh wants to buy a laptop. He is having 22,975 rupees. But the cost of laptop is 27,450. Now we need to answer how much money did he need. See the solution. Draw this table. Unit, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Here we are having 5 digit numbers. That is why we will make only 5 tables till 10,000. Start writing numbers. Always write bigger number first. This is 27,450. 22,975. 0 minus 5 not possible, borrow from 5. This will make 10. 10 minus 5 is equals to 5. 4 minus 7 not possible, borrow from 4. 14 minus 7 is equals to 7. 3 minus 9 not possible, borrow from 7. 13 minus 9 is equals to 4. 6 minus 2 is equals to 4 and 2 minus 2 is equals to 0. The answer is 4,475. So he needs 4,475 rupees to be able to buy the laptop. Question number 2. A company produced 44,730 scooters in a certain year and 43,150 in the next year. How many more scooters did they produce in the previous year? Here a company produced 44,730 scooters in 1 year and in the next year they produced 43,150 scooters. Now how many more scooters did they produce in the previous year? Draw this table. Again here we are having 5 digit numbers. So we will draw 5 tables. Unit, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Always write bigger number first. 44,730, 43,150. 0 minus 0 is equals to 0. 3 minus 5 not possible. We'll borrow from 7. 13. 13 minus 5, 8. 6 minus 1, 5. 4 minus 3, 1. And 4 minus 4, 0. The answer is 1,580. They produce 1,580 more scooters in the previous year. Now question number 3 and 4 you will solve in your notebook. Copy question and draw the table with the help of scale and pencil. Write properly and solve the remaining questions.